Ka Dr. Mehtab Chandee Kum kabadang syudap ban job ya ka MLA election ha Gambegre Constituency menta ka sni ka arpunya utari unai wieng aja apusaw kalabam Smai kum ka MLA Pura ha ka ba ulam phang ka yeng dorbar thawan ke jela ulapin bam Smai ha ka ni ka sni lawan lang ban sakhi do menteri rang ba ka jela ki simbut menteri rang ba ka jela ki menteri ka sarkar jela ki MLA nakalyang ka sensyal kum juru u MLA ka Kongres wat kiwe kiwe.
Now we will start with the oath-taking ceremony of the newly elected member from 56 Gambegre Constituency, Meghalaya. The Honorable Speaker will now administer the oath to the newly elected member, Dr. Mehtab Chandee Kum. Honorable Speaker, please.
I, Srimati Mehtab Chandee Kum, have been elected a member of the Legislative Assembly, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
Congratulations, Dr. Mehtab Chandee Kum is now a full-fledged member of the 11th House of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. Congratulations once again. This is from
Pick the same personality because I'm a very different person from what Saleng is. I think he's got a different personality, and so am I. So I think I am going to take up the issues, but not in terms of what he has done. I think the issues of the area, the issues of the constituency, of course, and that matters which are related to the public. In this past few months that I have been around in the constituency, I have seen that the area is slightly more backward compared to other parts of Garo Hills. There may be so many reasons for that. So, but I feel like there are still the basic infrastructure that still needs to be addressed, like healthcare and roads and electricity, because there are still so many villages without electricity, so many schools which are in dilapidated conditions, and there are still so many villages which are not connected by roads. So I think those are the things which will matter the most, and I think I will take up these issues first. I think it was the main idea that people could realize, and they had seen that in the past few years nothing has happened much, so they wanted to be part of the government, and I think that's what they have voted for. I think in general, I've been always saying this, that women in politics is very less, and I think that's the nature of how politics has been, because it's a difficult job, it's very demanding, and I think we as a women, as equal participants in the society, should come out more and then participate more. I just hope that me being one, I hope that so many women will get the encouragement that they need to come out and be part of politics.
Thank you.